The application known as Umax, short for Maximize Your Looks, has gained significant traction, currently ranking high across various countries. This app, akin to Umax AI, employs artificial intelligence technology to analyze selfies and offer personalized suggestions on enhancing attractiveness. Umax aims to expedite your journey to confidence by providing tailored advice and tools for self-improvement. Upon launching the app, users are prompted to select their gender, unlike its counterpart, Umax AI, which is predominantly geared towards males. Additionally, users can input referral codes for added benefits. The process involves uploading 2 selfies, a standard one and a side profile, for analysis. Subsequently, users can opt to upgrade to Umax Pro to access detailed results, which entails inviting friends or subscribing for a fee. The subscription model offers access to weekly scans, but users can cancel anytime through the settings menu. The app's interface showcases overall scores on various parameters like masculinity and skin quality, accompanied by personalized recommendations for improvement. However, users may find the subscription cost prohibitive, especially considering the limitations on scan frequency. Despite its potential benefits, users should approach Umax with a degree of skepticism, recognizing its reliance on AI technology and the subjective nature of attractiveness assessment. The accuracy of results may vary based on factors like photo quality and presentation. Ultimately, while Umax offers insights and suggestions for self-enhancement, it's essential to maintain a balanced perspective and not solely rely on its recommendations for personal development.